Can you give to mommy the one that cooks food? Who is this?
Chef.
Huh?
Chef.
Chef, good job. Can you give to mommy the one that drives the airplane?
Chef.
Oh, who is this?
Airplane.
Who is this?
Chef. Drive a plane.
Yes, who is he?
Drive
He
a
is
plane.
the
Drive the pilot a plane.
yes, who is he?
Pilot a plane.
Pilot.
Pilot.
Very good. Who is this?
Pilot.
Pilot. Who is this?
Who? This is a chef.
Chef. Good job. Who is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. Good job. Who is this?
Chief.
Dentist.
And this.
Who is this?
Doctor.
No, this one.
Teacher.
Teacher. Good job. Who is this?
Fireman.
Fireman.